I'm back. I took time off for a well-deserved R&R break. Went up to see a friend up in northern Ohio, Kentucky. What am I talking about? I was in Ohio. I didn't leave the state. Well, maybe. I might have crossed over into Canadian waters, but quickly came back to Ohio waters on Lake Erie. Spent some time fishing. I don't fish, but I spent a couple of days in a boat out in the middle of Lake Erie where I could get no bars with a pole stuck in the water. Did I catch some things? Yeah, but I don't take fish off the hooks. That has to be done for me, and I don't bait my own hooks unless they're fake bait. I don't put live minnows or worms or whatever that's alive on the hook. I'm not like that. But it was good to see my friend, and we had a no groping policy, and I stayed with him at Put-in Bay for a couple days in he has a little cottage there, and it was fun. I actually had fun. And I got a lot of rest, which I needed. And while I was there, not in Put-in Bay, but in Sandusky, I bought 2 black beauties, otherwise known as the $1 million black titanium, where you can win up to $1 million. Over $42 million in total cash prizes. It's odd for me to pay $20 for a ticket, let alone 2 tickets. These are a $10 ticket with the Ohio Lottery. The odds on this ticket are, I got tickets number 42, 43. The odds on this ticket are 1 in 3.54, and there you can see the prizes that you can win. I'll probably, if I get anything, I'll get the $10. That's my luck. But if any one or more of your numbers match any of the winning numbers, you win the prize shown below your matching number. Reveal the star symbol and win that prize automatically. Reveal a 10x, 25x, or 50x symbol and win 10, 25, or 50 times your prize for that symbol. So what do you say we get started here? And Kurt, I know you watch my videos. Thank you for such a good time. I really enjoyed it. We need that no groping policy in effect all the time. So let's go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this isn't the hard latex, so I can just scratch this. Number 8, that's a hippy skippy. Number 34, number 11, number 16, number 7, and number 49. I found a lucky penny up there, but it's in the kitchen because I gotta wash it because it's kind of dirty. Been run over and stepped upon and all that stuff. So our numbers are 8, 34, 11, 16, 7, and 44. And our first number, can we get a first scratch, first match? Where's the number? Hello, number. There it is. Number 39. We have 34. Number 24. We have 34 and 44. Well, of course, we had to have number 14 because we have 24, 34, and 44, so we'll probably get number 4. There's number 2. We don't need that. Number 21, nope. Aha, we got a match. Number 11. Yes, the number 11. Yay! Let's hope for more matches. Number 43 went off the 44. Number 22, nope. Does that mean we're going to get 11? And we already got 44. Number 19, nope. Number 27, nope. 23. Nope. Le number 3. Nope. The number 29. Nope. 31. Nope. 18. Nope. And the number 40. Nope. Last row. 38. Nope. 13. No. The number 6, 1 off of 7, and the last scratch on this ticket is number 28. So we did have one scratch right here, number 11, that matches the number 11 here, 11, 11. So we're going to put this to the side and scratch our other ticket and see if we can get any winner off of it. Our numbers are 9, 40, that damn 40. Number 4, 23, 36, and 19. So those are our numbers for this ticket. Let's see if we can get a match on this ticket, or better yet, a symbol. I'm not a symbol hunter, so I think if they're going to show up, they're going to show up. No need hunting for them. I hunt enough for doing these. So our first number is 32. Nope. Next one is 22. Put one off of 23. Next number, 34. Nope. Boy, this causes a lot of lottery fairy dust. Number 38. Nope. 27. Nope. 21. Nope. 28. Nope. 14. Nope. 37, 1 off of 36. 42, nope. 16, no. Come on, symbol. 13, 10 off of 23. Quit goofing off. 31, nope. 26, 10 off of 36, or 3 off of 23. However you want to look at it. Number 6, nope. Come on, symbol, we're running out of things to scratch. 18, 1 off of 19. 30, nope. 41, 1 off of 40, that damn 40. 29, nope. And last scratch is number 44, which we had on this ticket. Darn it. So this ticket is a big effing loser. So let's scratch this 11 and see what we got. Big zeros maybe? No. Little zeros. For $15. So hey, I'm not going to complain about that. I always like winning. So everybody, give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't. Please leave a comment down in the comment section. Share on social media if you can. And I'm back, so there'll be more videos from me. Quit shaking. I shook the table by accident. So, live your best life and be kind to people. That's my advice. Until next time, toodaloos.